The CSI, Curious Scientific Investigators, the case of the mystery stain, is going to be an exciting investigation using science and science tools to solve this mystery. It's really divided into three parts. The first part is what you do before you come to the museum. Before you come to the museum, you will work with your teacher to do several things. You will do research on the museum. You will learn about how to use the tools that we'll be using at the museum, and you'll also learn about the scientific method. One of your first steps will be to divide up into 5 groups. Each group you will be in will come to the museum and collect data with a museum friend. You'll also be meeting with the museum staff through the computer and through video conferencing. This will be an exciting way for you to actually ask questions and get ready for your investigation. The second way is when you come to the museum. On that morning, you'll load on your bus and you'll head there early in the morning and get to the museum to start your investigation. Once you get settled, we will meet your museum friends in the food court. There you'll break up into small groups and start your investigation. Your teachers will join the museum staff to learn more about science and some of the science skills that you'll need. You will spend the morning going from exhibit to exhibit, collecting data and learning about great resources and great science at the museum. You'll stop and get a snack and then meet back up at the end of your investigation to head back to your classroom, loaded with all types of data and all types of new information. Once you get back to your classroom, you'll meet in small groups and give a report to your classroom. Each team member helps decide what is going to be said in that report back to the class. The class will then decide what is their hypothesis of what they think is the solving the case of the mystery stain. Once again, we'll meet back through the computer and through video conferencing to discuss your results and findings. All in all, we have a lot of exciting science fun in store for us. While you are investigating around the museum, your teacher will be not only learning about new science activities, but getting some materials called an investigation station to take back to your classroom. Once you get back to your classroom, you'll be use all of these tools to do more investigation at your school or in your classroom. All of this is good science trying to learn how to solve a problem.